Naledi Apiwe says that she misses school all days, especially in break after school. And I'm just saying that she really took us back here because I feel like also it's not about going back to those days, but it's also missing the innocence of her being a child, when there was no responsibilities, there was no this hard work of going up and down and gigs after gigs. When you grow up, life changes, and fortunately for her, it changed for the better because she now has a career at such a young age. But when you have a career at such a young age, I feel like you kind of miss steps in your life because right after matric, now she's forced to become an adult, like an actual adult. She never got a time to, go to matric and then afterwards go to university, experience the varsity life, and then start working. She literally jumped the stage into responsibilities, into working, into career, into focusing on her future, which is a good thing. I'm not going to look down on that. It's such a good thing. But I feel like, you will definitely miss those days when you just didn't have to worry about anything, when dad had everything covered and all you had to do was just go to school, focus on your schoolwork, and also family as well. But with growth also challenges growth with you. And yeah, I'm just so happy for her that she's where she's at in life. And I can see through her post on Instagram that she's kind of like going through a lot, and I just hope that she'll be okay. You know what happens with like sweethearts, like South African sweetheart. I feel like she's like a South African sweetheart in a way. They kind of like start losing control when they become actual adults, like around 25, 23, semi around there. Like what happened with Miley Cyrus, like the Disney girls. Not all of them, but I'm just saying for her, like she is experiencing life at a rapid pace, like she's living the first life at a very young age, not a first life in like a bad way, like where like she's sleeping with men. No, like I mean like career wise and mental wise, she's forced to grow up because she has responsibilities and it's hard. No, we can't go back. Like if we had a choice, we would all go back to being young and have no responsibilities. And she also looked good though, like the face card never declines her. She's always been looking good and she doesn't change, by the way. So yeah guys, that's my thoughts on this post. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.